Hi guys, hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to show you guys is how to make money with Shopify. So I'm going to be making a whole series of videos where I'm going to show you how to make your own website in Shopify, your own e-commerce website where you can take payments and you can sell your products. You don't need Amazon, eBay or any other platform to sell your products apart from your own website, which will be designed from scratch in Shopify. I'll show you exactly what templates to choose and how to customize them according to your own needs, and then how to add your products, and I will even cover at the end how to advertise and how to market your website using Facebook ads and Google ads. So having said that, let's dive right into it. As always, if you guys are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. It will help me greatly and it will help the YouTube algorithm so that it can reach a lot of more people and they can get benefit from it as well. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so what you need to have your own Shopify store is that you need to make sure that you have your own email address. Your business name should be registered, preferably. And with Shopify, you can always start a 14 days free trial. If you are not happy with it, you can cancel it at any time. And but I'm pretty much sure that you will definitely be happy about it, because this is a one-stop shop if you want to have your own e-commerce website. Okay, so as you can see here, you can start your free trial, and the pricing is over here. Let's go through the pricing a little bit. So once you are happy with your shop, for 14 days trial, you can pick one of these. So basic Shopify is $29 per month. If you're growing your business and you already have an online presence and you want to bring it over to here, you can go for this option, which is $79 per month, or the advanced shop for the larger businesses, $229 per month. Okay, so what other things are in Shopify? Basically, in Shopify, you can bring your business here, as it says over here. You can choose your own template. Once you are satisfied and happy with the template, like what kind of product you're selling, if it's just a service, or if you are a subscription-based business, or if you like any kind of e-commerce business that you can think of, you can make your own website in Shopify. Okay, so let's start building one free trial store. I have my own store, but I'm not going to go to that store. I will be going into making a new one for you guys, so we can do everything from scratch. Okay, so Shopee, this is just an email that I created for Shopify trial store 007 at gmail.com. So start my free trial. Okay, so it says to choose a password. Once I have chosen my password, I can create my store. Okay, so it just says tired, they're creating your store. So basically they are just applying all the settings, like the basic settings that every store will get when they make their free store. Once you have that, before it goes there, it's going to ask a little bit about ourselves. Are you already selling? If you're just playing around, you say playing around. I'm not selling your products yet. I'm selling, just not online. I sell with a different platform. So basically they just want to know about yourself, like what you guys are doing. So we can just select any, to be honest, for this video. I am not selling any products yet. What is your current revenue? It's 0, just getting started. Which industry will you be operating in? Here you have to select according to the industry. Is going to show you your templates, which will be helpful. So guys, always choose the correct industry that you are in. So for this example, let's say we are in toys, and we say next. Okay, so here is going to ask you a bit of detail about yourself. So I'm just going to pause this, fill this up, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, welcome back. Once you fill your details, you just say enter my store, and it is going to take you in your store. It's just going to take a little while before it does that. There you go. There you go. Now we are officially in the Shopify backup, in our website's backup. Over here it tells us a little bit of getting started video. Then on the left hand side you have got the home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discount, apps, online store. So this is just the layout of your back office. Over here it says your trial has started, and then on here you have your manage account, stores, logout, and other shortcuts, and hire and help and stuff like that. Okay, so once you have done that, it says you have to add your product, then you customize your theme, add a domain, and set up your payment. With Shopify, the best thing is it's called Shopify payments, so you don't need you don't have to pay any other providers to set your payments up. Okay, so if you go to the online store here, the first thing we are going to do in this video we are going to look at the themes and how to select a theme, and then once we have selected a theme, we will be adding a product. Okay, so if you come here, you have got the theme library. So you got your free themes and your Shopify themes. You can go for either, but I would highly recommend that you just do your free themes, because they pretty much have all the options that you need. There is like, I have always found the free ones to be absolutely working smoothly, brilliantly, and there have never been a complaint to myself or anybody who I know. Okay, so explore the free themes. So let's go into the free themes. Over here you have to have a look at what kind of products you're selling. Then you can select one of the themes. So you got the Dawn theme here, you got the Express, Minimal, these ventures. You can always check them out. If you just go, let's say for Minimal, it gives you the features. So it's got a slideshow on the top, it's got product image zoom, it's got homepage videos, it's got product filtering, and it comes in 3 different styles. So it's got modern, it's got vintage, it's got fashion. So if you are like a fashion store or a clothing brand, or like a kids clothing brand, adults brand, or anything, you can always choose this one. So for the purpose of this video, because we're just going to have a toy shop, we are just going to select the modern, and then I'll click over here, add the theme to the library. So once you click that, it is going to add it to your library basically, and once you have customized it, you can add it to your own website. Okay, so it's just adding it in the background for us. The one that they give us by default is the debut one. Showcase your brand and products with debut, our signature theme. So this is one of their signature themes. So the minimal one is added here. So actions, it says you can preview your theme. So if you just go preview, so there you go. So you got your image slider here. So you can have your your hero pictures here, or your offers over here, or and things like that, which are like clickable, and your customers can get attracted to your products, or your collections, or your themes and stuff like that. Okay, and then you have your collection list, and then you have your products list, then you subscribe your email list. If you have collect your customer emails, and you contact them, and if you have your own blog, this is absolutely brilliant. You should always have this at the end. And then you have your latest news, links, and followers. Basically, it's a very clean and clinical website. So what we need to do is publish it, rename it, or duplicate, download the theme. So none of these that we have to do. All we have to do is just go on to customize. So once we have customized it, then we can add it to our shop. Okay, so this is the customization bit. I am going to go into detail in a different video, because that will make the video very long, and I don't want that to happen, because I want to keep it very simple, short videos. So you come here, you choose the video, the one that you are interested in, you watch it, instead of having like a 2-hour video or a 3-hour video. That is just I don't find that to be useful, hence I'm creating this playlist. Okay, so this will be your how you add your themes, and then after your themes you have other things that you have your blog posts. If you want to have some blogs over here, you can add blogs. You can have your own pages, like your home page, your contact page, or whatever. You can make these pages here. Then you have your navigation. You can add menus to the footer, or you can add menus to the main menu, like your home catalog or your about us, like let's say kids toys or toddler toys or early education toys. So you have your menus on your website as you require them, and then you add your domain over here. Yeah, so you can buy your domain, or you can connect your existing domain. That way you can your website will be live. So this is a quick overview about online about our store, and then the products are here. If you look at the products, you can always add your product here. For that as well, I will make a separate video, because I am going to go into proper detail about how to add the product, how to add the SEO, so it's searchable on Google and everything else. So that will be that, and then you can check your inventory here. And your collections. Collections basically, what Shopify does is it categorizes all the products into collections basically. So if you have, like, let's say for example men's, that's one collection, women's, that's one collection, or kids toys, that's one collection. So similarly, like on any website, you get categories. Those categories are basically called collections in Shopify. I will be showing you how to do that while I'm doing adding the product video. Okay, apart from that, what else is in the Shopify backup is your settings. So if you go into the settings, you have your general settings here, your payment settings, and these payment settings, checkout settings, shipping and delivery, I will be making detailed videos, so you know exactly what you're doing, because this will be your business. This will be like a shop front for yourself. So you should know exactly how to do it, when to do it, like what to do about it. So and I will be telling you about the mistakes that I did when I initially started with Shopify or my own website, especially with the payments one, and I lost quite a lot of money doing that. Then I'll show you how to set up your taxes, your notifications, your gift cards, how you can enable your Apple Wallet passes and send gift cards to your customers, and so on and so forth. Basically, I will be discussing all of these in detail. Yeah, so for the purpose of this video, I think this was just to give you an idea of how to have your store set up. Basically how to make your login, how to make your 14-day free trial, and then just to give you an overview of what you can expect in the back office of our own e-commerce website. So yeah, I think I have pretty much covered everything in here, and I will be covering the rest in my future videos. So stay tuned and keep watching, guys. And also, please do share the stuff with all your other friends and family members who are interested in e-commerce, because this playlist, this series is going to be absolutely like brilliant and something you guys will enjoy a lot. Yeah, and Shopify, while we are here, there's one more thing. Shopify has got this apps thing. This app stuff is absolutely brilliant. Like Shopify have got probably apps for everything. Like for example, you got your Oberlo app for dropshipping. So if you have let's say you made your Shopify store, now you don't have the products, you can always try dropshipping. So let's download this app and do some dropshipping. I'll be showing that as well later on in my videos. So yeah, guys, this is going to be an absolute cracker series, so stay tuned with it. Okay, so that's all from me. for this video. And yeah, stay tuned for the other videos that are coming up this week and next week, over the course of the next few weeks. And as always, if you have any questions, always feel free to ask. Just comment down below, or you can connect with me on Instagram, and just DM me over there, and I will try and help as much as I can, as always. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the content. Thank you very much. Hope you guys enjoyed.